Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change your keyboard language on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the games and applications that you have. Here, if you want to find the list of your installed games, you're gonna find it in the game library. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Right here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly here you're gonna find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on settings. And then right here, you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family, parental controls, system, and so on. Go ahead and click on system. And then once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find a lot of sections. Here you're gonna find system software, HDMI, VPN Lite, language, date and time, remote play, power saving, and web browser. Go ahead and click on language. And then once you're here, you're gonna find console language. You can change your device language from here. As you can see guys, I'm selecting English. And right here in input language, you're gonna find the option to add or remove a keyboard language. So right here, as you can see guys, I have Arabic, English, United Kingdom, and English United States. If you want to add a language, let's go ahead and click on add languages. Then you can add any language you want from here. For example, I'm gonna add French. And as you can see guys, it's easily added. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.